Hello, my lovely juniors. This is Ashok, and welcome to ICANN Technologies, the voice of every engineer. And I won't let my juniors down. The only motivation behind my all videos is that my juniors should never face the same problem that I have gone through. I wish that all my juniors to get jobs as soon as possible, immediately after their graduation, and lead a happy life. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any question. Chapter number 1, Industrial Introduction. Here we are learning what is the definition of industry, what all engineering involved to build an industry, what is the role of each engineering sector. First one, we will see what is meant by industry. Industry. In any place of the world, if economical activity is going on with a concern of production of any type of goods like food, automobile, steel or iron, oil and gas, software solutions or any type of services, etc., it is called as industry. And second one, what all engineering involved to build an industry. So during in engineering colleges and all, what we used to think like mechanical branch, for example, they will say we are Royal Mech, right? Yes, it is a Royal Mech, but why we don't know. And also like we are criticizing some other branches like CS, IT, electronics, say what you are doing, you are nothing. See, that is not like that. Every engineering branch has a very important role in the industry. So after this video, you will get clarified fully. Okay. Now we will see what are engineering involved to build an industry. That is civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, process engineering, chemical engineering, automation engineering. So these are the engineerings involved in a plant. Now we will see the role of each engineering branches. First one, it is about the like roles. See, if you see this industry, we have so many sectors connected to one another to make a production of a plant. So for this, many people are working, many engineers are working. That is now the roles and responsibilities of a civil engineer. Civil engineer, first what they will do before construction of any buildings and everything, they will make the inspection of land. So this one they are doing for to check the area size, soil quality and land stability. Once this is done, they will go in the design phase. There what they will do, software prototype design and implementation. If you see this one, this is the cooling tower and they have made so many substations here and like some pipelines, everything. There are so many tanks, motors and everything. Before constructing, they will make a design like this and they will start implement it. Like for this, what all the things they will make design, now we will see. Roads, buildings, bridges and platforms, tanks. If you see tanks here, it looks like very simple, but the tanks are so big such that it is having the capacity of million barrels storage. So to make that much big tank, the basement must be very strong. So they will be making the all these basements for the tanks and everything. Here you can see there are so many platforms connected to the ships for the export. So this and all will be built by the civil engineers. Vessels, cooling towers, gas flares and reservoirs. So these are all the roles and responsibilities of an civil engineer. Once this is done, mechanical work will be started. So now we will see what exactly the Royal Mech engineers will be doing in the plant. So first, they are also having the CAD designs. They with their own software and everything. They will make a design for each and every equipment of the mechanical machineries. And in this one, they are having the main roles for the designing, building, installing, and maintenance of all kinds of machinery inside the plant. So what actually they will do, like they also maintain the tools and components. So now we will see what are they doing in the designing. First one is the piping, wellhead, tanks, air filters, heat exchangers, distillation units, and boilers, pumps, and separators. So these are all the main equipments in the oil and gas. So without this, no oil and gas will run. It means without the mechanical engineering work, nothing can be started. After the civil work, first mechanical work to be completed. Then only every engineering branch can work as a parallel team. So that is why mechanical is called as the royal mech. So once all machineries are designed and implemented and like mounted on its particular place, now the role will come for the electrical engineers, because they have to electrify all the equipments which is done by the mechanical engineering. Now we will see what are their roles. First one, they have the responsibility of taking care of substation maintenance, and then MCC panel maintenance, and motors, generators, power distribution for the entire plant, including the office building, control room building, and all over the lighting system of the building, and each and every equipment of the mechanical machineries. Everything will be like power will be provided by the electrical branch. And grid maintenance, and they will be responsible for testing all the electrical equipments inside a plant. And programming and testing. When we are studying electrical engineering, we don't know that whether electrical engineers also can do programming or not, because that time we are not aware what is exactly happening in the industry. So programming for the electrical engineers is very very important. In my next videos I will tell you about the programming also, what exactly electrical engineering doing the program about. And then process engineer. So if we add process engineer, you can ask me, "Hey, where is this process engineering? कहाँ है हमारा engineering college में?" ये देखो, इसका branch है industrial production. Industrial production is a branch where we will think that what they are doing we don't know actually. Basically this automobile and the mechanical and industrial production, we think all are same, but no, they are different and they are having the different perspective, because process engineer is the one, they know each and everything about the process. And not only that, they have so many responsibility in the plant. Now I will tell you. First one, they have the operational knowledge of each part of the plant. They will be checking the loop and functionality test of the each equipment in the plant. They identify all the inputs physically which are mentioned in the project scope. They check to ensure data is accurate and sustainable. They will check each and every data of the plant for the accuracy and sustainable thing. And they take stand on the critical issues in a process, because they know in and out of the process. 6. They search records and files for the critical information to solve any kind of problems. And 7. This is the main point. Process engineers are the one who knows operation of each process in the plant and each area equipment of the plant. Next, chemical engineers. What the hell chemical engineers doing here? You can ask this question. But if you take any plant which is related to like mineral ores or some kind of raw materials coming from the earth, chemical engineer is must, because they know the what are the parameters coming out of it and what are the chemical parameters that must be there on the time and there on to the with the process, how much the parameter should come out. Everything will be decided by the chemical engineer. So here they will be testing all the chemical parameters of the raw materials, using and developing the process simulation software to work out the best production methods. See, I told you for every branch there will be an software and hardware part. For like chemistry department also, they have some different software, and they also do some programming to test all the process including in it. So that also we'll discuss in our future videos. And they will be supervising the plant operations, investigating and troubleshooting the plant or process problems, ensuring that equipment works to its specification and to appropriate capacities. Now, the most interesting and why we designed this course for, that is automation or engineer. Like automation or instrumentation engineer, what exactly they will do in the plant. What are their roles and responsibilities? First one, every electrified equipment in the plant related to the process can be monitored and controlled from the automation system. Designing P&ID based on the process requirement. We know this P&ID means piping and instrumentation diagram. While studying, we know that much only, but as you can see the screen, we have so many symbols over here. What exactly that symbol means? Why some thing they have showed in dotted line, and some lines are showed in straight line, and some are thick, some are thin, and also why this agitator is there, what are the indication of it, what is mean by vent, everything will get to know in the P&ID. It is very very important, and we are having a separate chapter for the P&ID also. Third one, commissioning of all the transmitters, valves, pumps with respect to the process design. Developing the programs by the control narratives and the other inputs given by the instrument and process designers. This is also very important part of the instrumentation engineering. 5. Commissioning of software programming test with the real equipment for every equipment of the plant. So you can say it now, without automation, no plant can run with accuracy, fast production, quality, and maintenance. So you can tell it as no automation means no future, because if there is no automation, there will be no accuracy, no quality, and no proper maintenance of the system. So that's why automation branch is the heart of the industry. Why it is called as the heart of the industry, I will tell you in the next chapter. So now it is the recall time. Okay, now you got clear idea with what is an industry and who all people involved in it, right? In our next video, I will come up with the new chapter, that is what is instrumentation technology. So while studying instrumentation technology in the colleges, we don't know what is instrument, what is instrumentation, what is instrumentation technology, and why the hell we were here, right? So I don't think that you will also feel same like what we felt, and I will make sure what is instrumentation technology and you will learn it very well. So till then, see you, bye bye.